If you see the oil pressure warning light on your dashboard, this is one warning you should never ignore. Unlike many other dashboard warning lights, the oil pressure light usually means there is a serious problem happening inside the engine. The oil pressure warning light indicates that your engine is not receiving enough oil pressure to operate safely. Engine oil plays a critical role in your vehicle. It lubricates moving engine parts, reduces friction, prevents overheating, and helps keep the engine running smoothly. Without proper oil pressure, metal components inside the engine can rub directly against each other. This can cause rapid wear, excessive heat, and severe engine damage in a very short time. One of the most common causes of the oil pressure warning light is a low engine oil level. This can happen due to oil leaks, oil consumption, or infrequent oil changes. Another common cause is a faulty oil pressure sensor. In this case, the engine may still have oil pressure, but the sensor is sending incorrect information to the dashboard. Oil pump problems are another serious cause of low oil pressure. The oil pump is responsible for circulating oil throughout the engine. If the pump fails or becomes weak, oil pressure can drop quickly. Using the wrong type or viscosity of engine oil can also trigger the oil pressure warning light. Oil that is too thin or too thick may not maintain proper pressure, especially in hot or cold conditions. As engines age, internal wear increases. Worn bearings and internal components can reduce oil pressure, especially at idle or low engine speeds. If the oil pressure warning light turns on while you are driving, you should safely pull over as soon as possible. Continuing to drive even for a short distance can cause permanent engine damage within minutes. Once you stop the vehicle, turn off the engine immediately. Wait a few minutes and check the engine oil level if it is safe to do so. If the oil level is low, adding oil may temporarily help, but this does not fix the underlying problem. If the oil level appears normal, do not continue driving. The issue may be related to oil pressure loss inside the engine. Driving with low oil pressure can result in seized engine components, engine failure, and extremely expensive repairs. Understanding what the oil pressure warning light means and how to respond quickly can save you from major engine damage and costly repairs.